Hello everyone, thank you for click this video, and today I will show you how to make Gmail dark mode. If you see on your Gmail app and click on the profile icon, you will not see the settings for dark mode. And if you click on the three lines menu and click settings, you also will not see the dark mode settings. So how to make your Gmail into dark mode? You can go into your phone settings, then click on display, and after that you can see dark mode settings. Click on the dark here. Your display phone setting will automatically change to the dark mode. And if you go into Gmail, your Gmail also will change to the dark mode settings. So this is how to make Gmail dark mode. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.